And the last topic is scope of pharmacognosy. Here we go with herbal preparation. Pharmacognosy helps in the formation of certain herbal formulations like churn, aristas, etc. You can also go with the formation of novel medicines, that is formation of new drugs, also depends on pharmacognosy. And one of the major scope is isolation of phytochemicals. Isolation means separation and phyto means plant. So separation of plant chemicals from plants. A person can make his career in isolation, purification and identification of active constituents that we got from plants. A person can also cultivate, collect and supply medicinal plants to Ayurvedic or Unani manufacturer companies. Then, biosynthetic pathways investigations. Pharmacognosy helps in the investigation of biosynthetic pathways of primary and secondary metabolites. So, basically, we will study about primary and secondary metabolites in detail in our next coming videos. Scope of pharmacognosy is increasing day by day because demand of pharmaceutical products of plant origin has increased due to the worldwide use of synthetic drugs and antibiotics.